what's the deal? It's your boy Ron Smooth. We back with another video. As of today, man, you see we at the G station, man. We do got low fuel like always, and we do need gas, we need air in our tire like always. So, about to hop out and do this. Luckily, the gas is cheap right now. Let me say $2.89. Got to keep the smell good. Hand sanitizer. So the camera look dirty. Yeah, man. We getting the gas. Gas price ain't too crazy right now. Chill down, but I do got some bad news for y'all, man. Look, motherfucking diffuser, man.
Brother,
motherfucking fell off.
What's that?
Other piece right there, man. Motherfucker fell off, but yeah, I supposed to be putting the red seats in here if y'all see the red seats. Motherfucker fell off when I was on the freeway. Doing about like I think like 120, 115, that bitch fell off.
You going to jail?
Had to go find that bitch. Big ass tires gotta get changed though. 24, we got about 5.8. I lost me a red key, bro. I'm about to try stuff out for a red key. I get a red sticker or something. Drop these windows because it's hot as hell. Like, bro, $24 give me 88 miles? Wow. Before we start this POV, man, this video, I do gotta get some air in my tires, so let's go do that. I'm gonna give it to y'all when we're done getting that air. I don't want y'all to see all that, so continue this video when I get the air. So we finished that. This is a clean up SRT8 right here. That bitch go crazy. It's decked out. But we got our gas, so let's continue this trip. I'm still okay. We at 93 now. That bitch went up a little bit. Like, why would you turn up right here? You hear this fast thing? That's what I don't understand about people. Motherfuckers that try you, man. They literally see you pulling. They see you coming down. They will literally try to pull out before you can get there. Like, bro, why even chance? But yeah, we off the tripod today. Hopefully it's a better view. Think about rolling this window up because I don't know if y'all can hear me for real. I should have took the 8. We probably would have seen some better cars. I might just hop on that way. This way, a Corvette right there. All white on white. Everything in the car really pretty much good. We're still waiting on these rims and tires. So that's something we waiting on still. Still trying to figure out what's the best angle for y'all. Pretty sure it's like right here though. It's like the sweet spot. At least I think it is. Y'all can see the road. Y'all see the steering wheel. My bad, y'all. I want to roll this window up, but I'm pretty sure they give it better sound, so I ain't even gonna do it like that. My brakes done too, I feel like in a minute. I'll throw some Brembos on here.
Cap.
Shit. Another thing I'm planning on doing is do that dip swap so I can actually be able to slide this bit. 5.7s in it. Okay. That's why I need to take my shit to a car wash. I got this motherfucker washed. Shit, since the last owner washed. Ain't no telling when that is. And you know, black get dirty so fast, so it's like you gotta start. It's like you gotta be washing this car. Well, not this car, but any color car that's black or white, you will have to wash it a lot. Cause the colors on that motherfucker, it's just so easy to get dirty, and it's so easy to stand out when it is dirty. That's why I was thinking about wrapping my shit, but I don't know. I kind of like the black. If I do wrap it or paint it, probably do like a paint correction with like gloss black, some shit like that. I'll do a pull for y'all right here. thought I seen something, but I'm like, no, we good. We good, we good. Launch this bitch at the red light? That would be crazy work. Crazy, crazy, crazy work. They gotta make something go up in the air how fast this bitch was going. I ain't gonna lie, if I had a fast car, I would've fucked around and thought my car was getting stolen or something. This shit gets slim as hell right here. And I know this was where this is at. Stop it for real. Nigga, you better keep going. You in this big ass truck. You better stop playing like this Charger. Like this big body Charger just pushed you. Oh shit. Big body Charger just pushed you out the way or something.
You dumbass motherfucker.
Damn, this shit all bumpy and fucked up. That's where the whips be at. But that Mustang over there, this look crazy. See what we bump into today. We bumped into Ultima. Oh, Hellcat swap. What are y'all doing?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Niggas tweaking over there. Had to juke up out of there because them niggas was tweaking. I want to crunch this bitch, but ain't nowhere to crunch this bitch to. You know, I feel like a little OT trip. How we got that shit out there and shit. Whole time we know we're OT.
Got him!
The 8, that's the closest you get to OT. If you a street hood nigga. 8 mile. 9 mile, that's a little bit too, but it's kind of like the verge of the burbs. It did not. Niggas do not be driving they shit on down this bitch. No cap. Can I get over? Could I get over? Yeah. Why would you get over with me?
Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Green light, let's see. Launch mode. Bitches got sideways. The fuck? Tell you, bro, this bitch is really like a SCAT. It's without all that extra torque and power. Swap that differential out, do a couple bow tones, you'll be pushing some power. Do a nice tone, exhaust work, shit, you'll be good. I'm trying to figure out where's my turn at though. And why is these niggas tweaking like this though? On the side of it. What the fuck? Please, I see that. Alright, is everybody just driving slow today? Drive slow Monday? Well, not Monday, Saturday, my dumb man. It's hot as fuck. I might drop this bitch a little bit. Not gonna lie. Had to check to see if the heat was on for a minute. I swear, if you stopping and nobody in front of you, bro, we about to have a real life problem.
One of those, bro. He might be a school shooter, my nigga. I'm telling you.
This nigga going about 15 miles per hour. My bad, I was just sitting here cruising, enjoying this ride. I had to figure out, like, dog, what the fuck is going on? I need some brakes for sure. Is the heat on? Fuck. Some AC on how hot it is, no cap. I hate coming down this strip, bro, because people drive so slow. And they don't know how to literally just do the speed limit and go. Get me ready to crash out and risk it all, bro. Got a Tesla behind me. You probably like, why this nigga driving so slow? Because the nigga in this old, like Tesla, what are you doing, Tesla? Oh, you can do that? Oh, my bad, Tesla. Do your thing then. That fell off the back of my diffuser though. When I was flying, I guess I hit the crack or a bump. I hit some bump or something. I heard something crack, clink. Then I pulled over. I see the little yellow piece back there. I'm like, oh, that bitch came off. I thought my whole diffuser or bumper came off. But then luckily, only the middle piece of the diffuser came off. Now we riding around with a fucked up ass negative diffuser in this bitch.
Bruh.
Come on, bruh. I can't make this up, bro. He's still going this slow. I'm going 28. What are you doing? Dog, tweaking. It's funny, my paddle shift is, bro. I can stop braking for real. Just downshift this bit. Like how sportsmen do it. Talking sportsman. I hope that's the right word I was about to use right there.
What? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Nope, not doing that one. I ain't get stuck behind no left turns. No left turns today, buddy. Fake ass Impala police. I can't do no pulls for y'all, man. I'm sorry if y'all think the video gonna be lame, but I can't do no pulls because these motherfuckers not doing that.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
I need to figure out what's that sound when I be hitting it. That my air intake like clogged up or something? Cause I ain't like low speeds or like that. Oh no, I ain't do it that time. Charles right here, what's this? Scatty? He had a destroyed gray or a Nardo gray. I don't know. I forget which one is what. I think that was a Nardo though. The destroyed more like a lighter gray if I'm not mistaken. And then the Nardo is gray, it's like the darker gray. Hope so. What did Kodak say? I hope so.
I hope so.
But yeah, man, that was basically today's video, man. Just chill POV. After this clip, I might do another clip if I drive again somewhere. I feel like cutting up, so I might add another clip. But right now, traffic is being a motherfucker, so I can't really even put up for real for y'all. Unless I hit some side streets, but all the side streets be having motherfucking what's shit called? Speed bumps down them bitches and shit. I'm telling dogs some shit down Main Street. You feel me?